देखिए कैसे
लगने दे यार. So, my dear friends, today also you have a speaking session, and today you have a topic on machines. You know, machines are very important in our life. Even we cannot survive without machines. So now it is up to you how you describe it. So I think you are
we
ready
have
for it.
unlimited time to speak on this topic. Am I right?
टाइम पे मैं ज्यादा आपको कोई लिमिट नहीं कर रहा हूँ, पर अपने को कोशिश यही करनी है कि भाई ज्यादा लंबा चौड़ा नहीं करें, कम शब्दों में, कम से कम शब्दों में बोलने की कोशिश करें. ओके. सो we are starting with Rakshit. Come on now. Sorry. We are starting with Gaurav. And all remaining students will listen to the speakers so carefully so that they can express their views after getting the knowledge or the views of other persons. Is it clear? So, yes, come on, Rakshit.
Sir Gaurav.
Gaurav.
Yes, sir. So, hello everyone. I am Gaurav here. My today's topic is machines and what is a machine, literally. So, in literature, or a definition of a machine is a object that requires the electricity to perform a specific task of anything you want. Like there are Roombas, they have batteries in it. They have batteries in it, and they perform a task of cleaning the floor and many other tasks of cleaning. But the main task is cleaning, and also there are sewing machines, but they are also operated by humans. But but our technology is very advanced, so machines are also advanced by our time, and also now in machines there is AI to perform to operate them, not humans. So, but AI is another thing that it's a very big topic. But we are talking about machine and how machine can change our life. So, machine can change our life by doing our simple tasks like cleaning and sewing and also doing homework and also making us understand or explaining us a topic and also to do chat like AI bots and also machines can do many specific tasks and also and now we use them in many events like my TV is a machine because it does a task of entertaining me and my family and this phone from that I'm taking classes is also a machine, particularly a machine, uh, and it is also as same as TV, but phone has many other functions, and also many other machines like you can also think of the Tesla. Tesla has a camera on it to see in the forward things if there is something or lidar, and on also there is a sensor hello.
हाँ बेटा बोलो.
Yes, sir. And there are also upgrading by day, and this technology will never stop. But the more advanced technology, the more energy consumed, and these energy are just
This energy is. ध्यान रखो थोड़ा सिंगुलर प्लूरल का, अनकाउंटेबल अनकाउंटेबल का ध्यान रखो थोड़ा. वर्क फ्रॉम
this energy is conserved from our nature, like from coal, and also we are using nuclear reactors to produce electricity, and also turbine wind whales, and also many other things, and also as our technology will grow, the machines will grow, and they will require more energy than the machines of today. And we have, and according to some scientists, and according to a scale, um, if human advance for many years, well, many centuries, many millenniums are remaining to get into that level of really collecting or conserving the whole energy of of our galaxy or our solar system. Well, it's another topic. So means you got the definition of machine, that, and also how it will grow day by day, and how can it change our lives, and also how it works and what is the definition, and by, and that's it. Thank you, sir.
Very good. ठीक है. Rakshit.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Dakshit Maurya, and today I'm telling on the topic that is machines. So we all know that when the human life was getting to evolve, then there came many works for the humans to do for their livelihood, and day by day as the time passed, many development and many inventions were done, and machines are one of the inventions among the biggest inventions of humans, because we know that what are machines. It is machines are a type of thing, or a thing, or we can say that a tool that works, but that works on the that works on the principles of how we design it, and the motive of the machine is to make it is to make it to do a particular job that we want it to do. Like we use many things in our house, like TV. For why we use TV? We use TV for getting entertainment, show for being socialized to the world, and and there is also mobile. So why we use mobile? We use mobile for so that it can be useful for us, and it will make our work more easy, like by calling
More easy
by
नहीं,
calling.
easier भी बोल सकते हैं ना अपन, easier. ध्यान रखो
Yes,
थोड़ा
sir.
सा. ठीक करो इन चीजों को.
Yes, sir. Making works easier, and like we use mobile phone for chatting, and for talking to each other by at being at different places, and so it made our life easy, that we can talk anyone, no matter how far he or she is from us, and but when mobile was not in the world, we have we have to we had to meet the persons whom we wanted to talk, and then and on the other hand, we had to post letters, or by any way we had to send messages, so that we can talk to anyone, and we had to wait for a long time to get the reply of the message. So that was a very time taking process, but mobile made this process very easy, that we can convey our messages in seconds, and we know, and so we can see that machines play a very important role, and we know that machine is related to technology and development, and as the technology is improving, the level of machines is also improving, like we can say, in the respect of artificial intelligence, there is a term machine learning that works on different principles, like AI tools, etc. We can take example of Gemini, Chat GPT, Perplexity, etc. that works on voice assistant, voice command, and on text translation, and also on generative AI that helps us in many things, like in these types of AI tools, we can say that a lot of things are stored in these AI tools. And when we ask any question and when we want to know about anything, then we can search on these AI tools, and we can get the answers. And these types of AI works on generative AI, like it will not work on it will not it not only works on the basis of that on the basis of principles that are given by the operator, but also it will work on the principles of its own, like it will generate its own algorithms to tell the answer to us. And so we can say that machines are improving very day by day, and these machines are making our life easy and easier and easier. And uh, and after a decade or after a century, we can say that there will be the replacement of jobs
शाबाश
on the behalf of
हम्म
AI.
हम्म
Like we can say that most of the works will be done by AI, not by humans.
हम्म
And so that's it.
वेरी गुड शाबाश रोहित
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Rohit and today I'm going to tell you about machines. As you know, that machines are something that reduces human efforts in any work. We find in our daily life that machines provide us easier life than the hardships we face. So we can say that machines are most important part of our life. Without machines, there is no existence of humans on earth. In the time in the past era, there Sir Aditya's mic.
माइक बंद करो आदित्य अपना हाँ
Yes, sir. As we can see that in past time, people didn't have that much quality to produce such efficient machines. So that's why the human efforts were very high, and people
हैव टू क्यों
had to
आएगा हैड टू आएगा ना
had
पास्ट का
to
जवाब बता रहे हो तो हाँ
had to do a lot of work for fulfilling the needs. But nowadays we can see that machines have made everything easier, and we don't have to do much efforts. Like the communication through machines is very easier. We can communicate to people all around the world within seconds. Within seconds. And as we all know that nowadays we have now, and from a long time, printing is very printing has been an essential part of a human's life. Everything we developed first started with the paper, and nowadays we can see that printing is done on a large scale, that is done with the machine. It reduces human efforts. In past, manuscripts were written, but that were not so efficient to meet the demands in the past. But now, the machines give more and more quantity of goods. That's why the today's world's demands is being fulfilled. And we know that all AI, these types of AI, all the types of AI like Chat GPT, Grok, Perplexity, these types of AIs are made using machines, and the mastermind between these all machines is we humans. So we should not think that machines will replace humans, because the quality and the skills of humans is much better than any AI or any robot. And we find that robots are also machines, and we can say that in future many of our work will be done by robots. So that is not a good sign. We have to limit the type of machines, because reducing more and more human efforts will lead to many changes in the working and efforts. Like humans will become lazier, and the immunity of human beings will be very less. So by that, the generations health can be affected. So that's why I think that machines are good. They run on energy, and also the energy requirement by machines is very high. We can see our electrical appliances at houses requires a lot of energy, and that are energies, and the energy we get is from the resources of our earth. And one day one day the resources will be extinguished. So we should develop machines that runs on natural like sunlight and ocean water. From these types of non-conventional resources, we should develop our energy and give them to machines, so that more and more machines can be run with less without extinguishing earth resources more. So that's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश बेटा, बहुत अच्छा बेटा. यस हर्ष.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harshal. Today, my topic is what is the role of machines. So, as we all know that we are living in 20th century, and here all the things are done with almost all the things are done with machines, and a machine is simply a tool or any object which reduces human efforts, and it makes the work of human easier. And there are many examples which establish that machines reduces our work, by phone we can talk to each other by very less time. By printers we can print a lot of things, and spread the knowledge amongst all the persons in the world. And it also helps in globalization, industrialization, modernization. These three factors are very important because they will boost the economy of the world, and we will get more and more things that will make our work more easier, and humans will have more time to talk to do their daily tasks, talking to their family members, etc. And in many countries there are robots that serves many things many things in restaurants, hostels, or other places, and by which and machines are also good and also bad in our life, because they steals the employment from the needed persons. In a company, a machine replaces the work of 100 employers, and there is a lack of employment due to the spread of machines. But as the coin has two sides, second side is its advantages, like it reduces by machines, we can save our time, and at that time we can do other things. And At last I want to say that from the tip of the pen to the zip of our jacket, all the things are machine tasks, sir.
आवाज बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा यार, वेरी गुड यार. यस आदित्य.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Aditya, and I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from B20. Today's our topic is machine. So, as you know that now times scientists make robots, and they help us, and robot a machine which
रोबोट
make
इज अ
by
मशीन. पूरा
human.
सेंटेंस बोला करो.
Yes, robots is a machine, and and uh, and humans make robots, and humans destroy that things. And
इसको
this
इसको
is
देखो.
very nice thing. Our country develop our technology, and this and we invented new things like robots, and a machine uh, which helps to our construction areas, to helps make a building. And robots helps to our people to do their works, and other work that humans cannot do. But humans humans brain is very high for for robots, because now time robots play football with humans, so humans is very intelligent from the robots, and they and humans confuse the robots, but they are very clever. So we can. So machine is machines. Machines is very useful
Machines
uh,
are very useful. Singular
and
रूप में ध्यान रखा करो बेटा. हाँ.
machines are very useful. Uh, and this is not end. We develop that machines so much to our country. This is the and in the future, so many machines are coming soon. So this is very nice thing, and I want to say that machines is not a
ये में
shortcut
machines
which
is machines are singular plural का थोड़ा ध्यान रख. फोकस कर थोड़ा सेंटेंस बनाने पे. हाँ.
machines are not a shortcut like we do any work and we buy a robot and they do all works. We don't do anything. So this is very bad thing. We become lazy. Yes, sir, that's it.
ठीक है. थोड़ा सेंटेंस बनाने पे बहुत अच्छा बोल रहा है. थोड़ा सेंटेंस पे और फोकस किया कर थोड़ा सा, है ना. ग्रामेटिकल डिवाइसेस पे थोड़ा फोकस किया कर बेटा. यस रख. हर्षित.
I'm going to explain my views on the topic. Software no machine. This machine is a term used for that makes our work easier and makes someone
Your
multiply
voice is not
forces.
clear. Your connectivity is not proper. Make it okay.
Sir,
आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही तुम्हारी. कट रही है बहुत ज्यादा. बोलो.
मैं ट्राई करता हूँ.
एक बार थोड़ा नेक्स्ट टाइम बुलवाता हूँ तेरे को. ठीक करके आ जब तक इसको. ठीक है बेटा. थोड़ी लोकेशन चेंज कर ले अपनी. नाउ आई थिंक दिस इज द टर्न ऑफ कोमल.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Komal Barwa, and I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from batch 11. And today, our topic is machines. We all know that machines are very important and necessary for our life, and machines make our life easier and faster very much. And we all know that in the past time, we don't have.
we did not have आएगा ना पास्ट टाइम में.
Sorry, sir. We did not have very a lot of machines and AI, etc. And but we all know that today's we have technology and science age, so we can do anything in a less of time. And we all know that machines are very important for our works to make it faster and easier. Humans make machines, but machines do work faster than humans. So it is very important for us and for our time, because it makes our time free. And we all know that machines takes energy and electricity very much. So we should save our electricity and water also. And machines are very important for our life. And we all know that we have different types of machines. Like we have in the house, we have different types of machines like mobile phone, computer, electricity things, etc. But if we see that in outer area, we have different types of big machines that make our product easily. And we all know that our products make by machines. And machines make products where in a large quantity and very faster than humans. So we can say that machines are very important for our life, and it save our time. And it and it has very much power, and we can say that machines transform our life,
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, वेरी गुड बेटा, हाँ.
and if we have comfort with machines, and machines are very important for our life, but we should use machines a limit way, because we should do work with our body, otherwise we have many diseases, issues, etc, and we should use machines at a limit way. That's it, sir.
शाबाश यार बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया यार, बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म करने लगे हो बेटा, वेरी गुड यार. यस हर्षित आ गया बेटा,
Yes, sir.
आ जा बेटा.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Arshad More, and today's my topic is machines. So before anything else, we must know that what is a machine. So a machine is a term that is used for any device that makes our work easier by multiplying forces and reducing human efforts. And we can see that there are many things that are based on that are based on the technology of machines. Like we can see that almost all the things that are made by science are are known as machines. Like we may take the example of machine as mobile phone, because mobile phone is the just like a device that works like a machine by reducing our efforts.
शाबाश.
And in this society we may say that machines have made our work easier and have also developed us and have also developed us as compared to our past. Like we may take the best example of printing press. We can see that printing is in the earlier time, printing was done by wooden blocks and many things, but now we can see that this has been done by machines, which have reduced the load and which is helping us to produce more and more things. We may take the examples of magazines, though it was produced at that time, but it was not in a large scale. But we may see that nowadays there is machine, so the views are in the newspaper and printed by the machines in a frequent manner. So at the last, I would like to say that machines have made our society developed and made our efforts less. That's it, sir.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, वेरी गुड. कबीर.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Kabir Sahu. I'm the student of Rambad Online Interactive Classes from batch B20. Today's my topic is machines. As we all know that we live in the age of science, and science has given us many things. Machines are one of them.
वेरी गुड. शाबाश.
See that in our house, when we see any item, it is made up of mostly it is made up of machines or a machine like fan, TV, AC, cooler, etc. Machines are so useful for nowadays, because they gives us many comfort and make our life easy. We can see that heat now people are using heaters so that they get heat from them.
शाबाश शाबाश, वेरी
So
गुड,
that
बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ. फोकस करो, बस फोकस करो, ग्रामर पे भी थोड़ा सा बोलो बेटा. शाबाश.
yes, sir. Machines are used in many ways, like in factories, in houses, in shops, etc. We can see that now we are taking class on mobile phone. Mobile phone also works as a machine. We can see that it has programmings, etc., which is useful for us, and there are so many applications on it. We can see that it is a nice and useful machine for us. We can see that There are also laptops and many electronic devices, which is so useful for everyone. But there are lot of disadvantages of it. Like sometimes we use it in a large uh, sometimes we use them in a large time, so that's why our eyes only become lazy, or our eyes become our eyes सर खराब हो जाने को क्या कहें.
वीकन्स,
हेलो.
कमजोर हो जाती हैं, वीकन्स, आवर आईज वीकन.
Our eyes comes from them. So at last I want to say that we should use technology in a limit way, and if we use it in a large quantity, we can see its we can see its um,
बैड
we
इफेक्ट्स.
can see it by defects.
बैड इफेक्ट्स. हाँ. हम्म.
Effects. Yes, so that's it.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया बोलने लग गया बेटा. थोड़ा सा ग्रामर पे फोकस किया कर, है ना अनुज?
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Anuj, and today my topic is what is a machine. A machine is a human-made device that basically needs electricity or gases or something like. And a machine is a thing that makes human effortless and that works easier and faster than human can. And a machine, there are different types of machines, like simple machines or non-moving machines, moving machines.
शाबाश, शाबाश.
Like simple machine,
बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ.
a wheel we can take the example of a wheel. A wheel is a type of simple machine. There is no like complex in this wheel. And the moving machines are like the engines that moves fast. And non-moving are like computers, mobiles
शाबाश.
that are stable and
शाबाश.
that are their stability makes human effortless. And the machines have brought us to the level when we are having comfort day by day.
Very good.
And we are not hardworking more. And a machine, when there were no machines, all the works were done
शाबाश.
by humans. When the pyramids were made, when there is no even the wheel was even not invented.
शाबाश.
So you can guess how hard for them it will be to make the pyramids.
Very good. बहुत बढ़िया. Nice framing.
Yes, sir. And a machine, as the machines are increasing, or as the technology is increasing, the human lifespan is decreasing, because everything has its good and bad side. And the machines, like in the industries, the machines are used the most. That takes fuel or electricity or something, but they gives us unnatural germs or like pollution that makes the environment bad, and we breathe and we get ill or sick. That's it. And so using machines in a limit or in a right way is the right way of using technology. That's it, sir.
Very good यार. बहुत बढ़िया यार बेटा. नेचुरल स्पीकिंग आ रही है, मतलब कोई ऐसा नहीं. हम जो चाहते हैं ना, स्पीक इंग्लिश एज यू विश, दैट इज द सेम थिंग. Lakshmi.
Yes, sir. My name is Lakshmi Gujjar. Today our topic is a machine. Machines are very important in humans' life because because a lot of people depend on machine to
Shabash.
work there, and machines are very important, and landlords use machine to cut their crops and grow their crops, and and machine are used from growing crops and harvesting them, and due to machine unemployment is rising, so it is a problem
Shabash
for
yaar, क्या क्या
humans,
समझ रहे, very good यार. हाँ.
and in in the city rich people use machine, they don't call
The
the
people
people
who
to work
don't use machines. ऐसे बनेगा है. In
Yes,
cities,
sir.
the people who don't use machines. ऐसे बनेगा वो clause. बोलो आगे बोलो.
Yes, sir. And in the ancient time, people made their cloth and other thing with the help of their hand, and another thing they don't know what is machine.
Did not know.
They did not know what is machine, and they did work with their hand, and do you know that India is a developing country, and in India there are many type of machines, and we use to wash our cloth. Mas- we use to cloth our wash cloth machine, and for entertainment we use television and mobile phone, and etc, and we used to go outside machine like vehicle.
We use machine to go outside.
We use machine to go outside, and vehicle is also a machine, and in the future time all work will be done
Shabash.
by machine, and in the Japan and Europe there are many work which is done by machine,
Which are done.
done by machine.
Done by machine भी बोल सकते थे आप. There are many works done by machine. आगे बोलो. शाबाश.
Yes, sir. And we use machine in many ways.
Focus करो. हाँ.
Many ways, like we use machine to make food, and machines are very important thing in human life. That's it, sir.
Very good. शाबाश. बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस है बेटा. बस ऐसे ही बोलते रहो बस. Yes. आजा बेटा. काजल.
Yes, sir. Hello, Meena, and today my topic is what is machine. So we all know that we live in the age of science, and science has given us many electronic devices, and machine is one of them. And we can see that in our daily life we use a lot of machines, like mobile phone, a washing machine, TV, fridge, cooler, etc. So a machine usually needs electricity, gas, steam, etc.
Very good.
For and we can see that it is we live in age of science, so and we can see that technology developing day by day, and we all we and we we do a lot of works by machines, and we can't imagine our life without machines, because we do all works uh, with the help of machines. And so machines are make our work easy, and make our life comfortable, and machines are also save our time, and machines work in less time, and easily. We can see that in the past time, people did not have machines, so they had to work hard,
Very good.
and in this way their life was very difficult, and they faced many hardships. And and nowadays, uh, in the nowadays in present time, we use machines, and it is good, but I think machines make humans lazy, and it's affect our health, and should use machines, but not not much. And
बहुत बढ़िया.
and machines make us lazy, and we can see that we use machines a lot of in a lot of things, like clothes, uh, and conversation with each other, and many other things. And I think machines are good, but it is also not good for humans, because in the use of a lot of machines, it is harmful for humans, and it is less or employment. And we can see that machine do do work, सर उस क्या बोलेंगे, machine do work equal 100 people in a few time, but it is not good for people, because it is तो चीना को क्या बोलते हैं,
It grabs.
it
It
grabs,
takes. It takes भी कह सकते हो, ले लेता है. It takes.
it takes a lot of people's work and and so in the last, I want to say that we should use machines, but not much. That's it.
अरे यार बहुत बढ़िया यार बेटा, बहुत अच्छा बोलने लग गए तू तो यार. है वेरी गुड यार, रियली यार. तूने जो कहा था वो सब कर रही है तू यार. आई एम प्राउड ऑफ यू बेटा.
Thank you.
मुझे पहली बातें याद है तुम्हारी, जब तुमने कहा था सर आई विल डू माय बेस्ट, एंड आई एम हैप्पी दैट यू आर डूइंग योर बेस्ट. शाबाश, कीप इट अप. करती रहे बेटा प्रैक्टिस. इफ एनी टाइम फेस एनी प्रॉब्लम टेल मी फ्रैंकली. ओके बेटा. हाँ. यस वैष्णवी.
Yes, sir. Good evening, all of you. My name is Vaishnavi. I am the student of the Ramban online interactive classes from B18. And today again we have a speaking session. And sir give us a new topic whose name is machine. You know that machine is a mechanically operated device, and it is a man-made thing, and it is a very useful thing for human beings, because you know that there are many machines like cooler, fan, AC, fridge, washing machine, etc. And you know that human beings are so depend on the things. And I'm the telling about the uses of these things like mobile phone. You know that in the past time there was no mobile phone, and we send the messages with the help of birds, and we write the letters to our relatives, friends, etc. Wrote
थोड़ा फोकस कर
wrote
ले
to
बस,
the
थोड़ा सा फोकस कर ले बेटा. हाँ.
wrote it to our relatives, friends, etc. And at the in the present time, you can see that human being invented the mobile phone, and we can send the messages in just a second. And there is a satellite that connects the our signal, and it to deliver to our message to our friends, relatives, etc. And you know that there was a famous philosopher whose name Archimedes. So he invented some simple machines, and you know that machines are very useful, and machines is very fast, are very fast, and you know there is a machine whose name is fridge. We can store our food in it, and it also works, and there is a fan. When we feel very hot, we can switch on the fan, and but sometimes you can see that machines human beings are so dependable on it, and they can not work, and they depend on machine, and there are many disadvantages also in, and some people watch the mobile phone so much, and it causes our eyes become so weak, and we feel very headache, and we feel not good. So in the last, I want to say that we should use the machine in a limit. That's it, sir.
एजिटेशन तो बिल्कुल ही खत्म हो गया है. डर नाम की तो कोई चीज ही नहीं रही
Yes,
तुम्हारे.
sir.
हैं? एजिटेशन बिल्कुल खत्म हो चुका है. सबसे बड़ा अचीवमेंट तो यही है बस. वेरी गुड बेटा.
So because of you.
Oh, because of me, नहीं, because of your hard work.
Yes, sir.
Because of your hard work, because of your sincerity, because of your continuity, because of your passion, because you want to learn. That is why. ये बात है.
Yes, sir. But sir, you guide us so we
But my role is only
understand that thing.
10%. Your role is 90%.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है ना बेटा? ये बात हमेशा ध्यान रखना. जो मेहनत
Yes,
करेगा
sir.
बेटा उसी को ही रिजल्ट मिलता है बेटा. बात ये है, और कंटिन्यूटी के साथ जो चीजें अपन करते हैं वो उसका रिजल्ट धीरे धीरे आता है, लेकिन कुछ चीजें परमानेंट होती है. लाइफ में कभी जाने वाली नहीं है ये चीजें तुम्हारे साथ. और मोस्ट प्रोबेबली इन योर न्यू बर्थ you will be with this thing with you. I think so. Yes, come on, Khushi.
Hello everyone, my name is Khushi Gujar. I am telling about machine. There are many types of machine like computer, AC, fridge, mobile phone, washing machine, etc. It plays many roles in humans' lives.
Shabash.
We can see that like computer can do math problems,
Can solve.
faster than humans,
Shabash.
and we can see that mobile phone we can send any message, documents, anything to other
शाबाश
easily.
बेटा, वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, वेरी गुड बेटा, शाबाश।
And machine have simplified transportation, farming,
क्या बढ़िया, बढ़िया, हाँ।
many works. Like we can see, people can go and come anywhere, anytime, without less time, and
Without much time.
without much time. And farmer can do any work easily with machine, from machine. And it reduce humans effort, reduces humans efforts, and it saves our time. And with the help of it, we can do any tasks faster. And we can see that washing machine, it with the help of it, we can wash our clothes faster, with less time.
In less time.
In less time. And but machine don't have feelings, imaginations, and it can't bring new ideas. And machines are great at uh, repeating tasks over and over, without getting rest. And so we should use machine in a limited time. That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया, सेंटेंस तो बहुत अच्छे बनने लग गई। अरे सब बढ़िया हो गया, पहले में और अब में बहुत अंतर है बेटा। बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छी, सारी चीजें बहुत अच्छी आ रही है। थोड़ा सा थॉट्स का प्रोसेस थोड़ा स्लो है, वो हो जाएगा फास्ट, ठीक है ना? हाँ, डर तो नहीं लगता अब? सच्ची बता, पहले तो बहुत डरती थी तू, लगता कैसे सिखाऊंगा इसको, पर यार यू डिड वेरी गुड। लगे रहो, सब चीजें हो जाती है। टाइम लगता है बेटा चीजों में, देखो बेटा बात ऐसी है, बड़ी चीजों में टाइम लगता है, छोटी चीजें तो क्या कैसे भी कर लो, पर वो परमानेंटली नहीं रहती हैं अपने पास में, ये ध्यान रखना हमेशा। यस अनु।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my today's topic is machine. As you know that we are living in science age. So there is many type of machines like washing machine.
फोकस करो थोड़ा, देयर आर, हाँ बोलो।
There are many types of machines like phone, TVs, washing machines, etc.
बोल बेटा।
Disadvantage and advantages. First, I am telling about advantages. Machine can do any work easy way and fastly than human being.
शाबाश शाबाश, आराम से बोल बेटा, घबराए मत। हाँ,
Like we can take washing machine if we wash our clothes by hands, it take much time, but if we wash our clothes in washing machine, it do not take much time. Now I am telling about disadvantages. That machines because everyone is lazy in today's life, because machines do every work of her or him. In that way, the machine is bad. Machines are also good because we can communicate face to face in video call, and we can also talk with anyone. In old time, we cannot talk face to face, but in today's life we can talk, and we do not have to send letters to anyone.
शाबाश बहुत बढ़िया हाँ
Like, you can take the phone example. Now I am taking class by watching phone. It damaged my eyes. In that way, the phone is bad. But it is important to take class. So in that way, the phone is useful. That's it.
शाबाश आज बहुत दिनों के बाद मैंने तेरी ये परफॉर्मेंस देखी है ना बेटा रेगुलर रहना है बस तेरे को बिल्कुल रेगुलर रहना है यस विपिन
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. Today my topic name is machines. You know that machines are useless without electricity.
शाबाश शाबाश वेरी गुड बोल धीरे धीरे तसल्ली से आराम से
There are many type of machines like television, phones, anything, etc.
शाबाश धीरे धीरे तसल्ली से आराम से
We used outside machine for entertainment thing, mobile phone and television, and washing our cloth. For washing our cloth is washing machine. Some machines are bad, like phone, television. But some machines are good. Some machines are bad, like mobile phones, television, because damage in our eyes.
Damage our eyes बस हाँ
Okay, sir. Damage our eyes and that's it, sir.
कोई बात नहीं बेटा कोशिश करता रहे बेटा है ना हाँ सब हो जाएगा घबराना नहीं है बिल्कुल भी बस ऐसी कोशिश करते रहो बेटा चलिए सबका हो गया मेरे ख्याल से आई थिंक थैंक यू वेरी मच